Hello and welcome to the DME High Precision Mold Based podcast for Fakuma 2021. This podcast will demonstrate how you can save time and money for your high cavity mold bases. Saving your time. Our ultra-modern production hall is in the heart of Europe at Sasovice in the Czech Republic. It is on site in our 1,400 square metre logistics centre. TIRAD is a sister company of DME Europe and also a member of the Hillenbrand Corporation. Plates for multi-cavity injection moulds. High cavitation mold base production with the highest precision for more than 20 years. You can expand your capacity without any additional investments. The maximum workpiece size is 2,300 millimeters by 1,500 millimeters by 1,000 millimeters, with a max weight of 3,500 kilos for all in-house operations. They offer very high precision, up to 10 microns, and is a center of excellence in high accuracy milling. Technologies used by TIRAD. They can offer a position tolerance of 8 microns, a diameter and pocket tolerance of 5 microns, and also offer deep gun drilling on 4 machines. They can achieve 1,500 millimeters depth from one side with a hole diameter from 3 millimeters to 60 millimeters. Production capacity. 300 plates per month can be manufactured, and they offer 120,000 machine hours per year. Their main focus is on bigger molds, preferably larger than 496 by 496, but that's not always the case. They have experience with various types of steel, the most common being 1.2085, which is stainless steel, but also can offer Roy alloy or aluminium. Mold base assembly can be done with any components that you specify, and the industries they cover are food and beverage, caps and closures, medical and pharma, and PET preforms. Paperless production without 2D drawings from 3D CAD models only. Measurement prior to shipment. Delivery will only commence after approval of your individual measurement report, giving you very little or no risk as our customer. Quality control 3D measuring machines able to measure plates up to 2,500 millimeters by 1,400 millimeters up to 3 tons. Protocol able to check all dimensions. Quality certification according to ISO 9001 for 2016 and 9001 for 2015. Our fleet of machinery. A CMM Wenzel machine measuring a 32 cavity plate, milling and finishing on a 48 by 48 cavity plate, surface grinding a 96 cavity plate, a CMM Wenzel measuring angular elements, milling and roughing on a single plate, and gun drilling. We only use the highest quality packaging available for transportation to ensure the plates get to you in pristine condition. Your benefits. Production reservations are available, allowing you to set a firm date for completing your project. Spreading the risks, you can outsource the plates and focus on the inserts yourself. Fair pricing. You already know your total costs from our quotation. Measuring protocols before delivery of the plates. Your full service partner. We are happy to help you from the installation of the standard components or the final assembly of your cooling accessories. This is a DME quality guarantee. Thank you for listening to this podcast, and please contact us at our European headquarters or connect via LinkedIn or Facebook.